Remember, in an earlier step, you learned about return values. A function can return a value for your application to consume separately. In a function, the return keyword is used to specify a return value, which means it specifies the value of your function. So it says this function would return the value given to the first parameter. Yes, so we have a function called name and takes an input to a parameter called parameter, and it would return that input. Therefore, what it basically means is that whichever or whatever the value passed into this parameter would be the output of this function when it is called anywhere on your code. So it says use the return keyword to return the value of the character variable. We do have a character variable here. Return it. Return character variable repeated row number times. So JavaScript actually has a repeat method which just repeats the original string. So in here we will repeat row number. Nice.